The #1 question I get asked as a professional voice actor is, how do you do that with your voice?
Why didn't you keep yourself hydrated, you silly goose?
Let's sit and talk about it. Maybe grab a bite.
Ah! Like fireworks! They will take your breath away.
Because I'm about to drag your little buddy out of this tank and rip him to shreds!
My name is Joe Zija, and I've been a professional voice actor in Los Angeles for over 10 years. I get to do all kinds of incredibly fun things with my voice as a voice actor, inhabiting the bodies of creatures in reality and in fantasy and science fiction and alien worlds and all over the map in animation and games and everything in between. I'm never having more fun than I am when I'm creating interesting and evocative characters for use in all kinds of media all over the world. But here's the secret about it. It's something that everyone can do. Before I started as a full-time voice actor, I had no acting training and certainly no training manipulating my voice to do crazy things. I was never that class clown who was doing impressions or voices in the back of the room. I was just a regular guy. These voices I've accumulated are all skills I learned over time. I learned them through experience and through over a decade of aggregating the performances from all the incredible people I was working with. In this little mini course, which is part of my larger voice acting academy, I'm going to break down my method for making incredible characters with my voice. Not only by making my voice sound different, but by inhabiting living, breathing characters that come to life off the page and teaching you to do the same. These skills can be used for so many things in life that people don't think of. Not just making silly voices for the fun of it, but building your own self-confidence, working on your improvisational skills, being more competent and capable in social situations, having a better and broader experience at the table for Dungeons and Dragons. The list is endless.
I appreciate your time and patience.
Thank you for your call. I love you.
It doesn't actually love you, it's just, oh, you love it too.
I feel a new feeling.
I cannot wait to take you through this course and unlock your incredible innate ability to make these characters come to life. Welcome to Creating Character Voices. I can't wait to see what you sound like when you're done.